Hi, welcome back. In the previous tutorial, we have taken in user input, asking to key in his name, Now, by default, the user input is a string, that is, this returns us a value which is of a string type, Now, the question comes, what about if we want to read in data of other types? For example, if we say, please key in your weight, your height. So how would we do that? Now to read in other data types, we will first have to read in a string, and then we can use it to convert to our own preferred data type. Alright. Now, so I'll leave this for a while first, and now I'll carry on with the example. So for example, console.write, write line, so please, enter your grade. Now grade will be a character, right? Character. So what we can do is we declare a character, let's say grade, equals to console.line, and then we have to what we have to do is first we have to declare a temporary variable, which is of a string, and then we'll assign this. We will assign the value that the user has inputted into this string first, temp. Now at this point in time, then we will declare the character grade, equals to, we have to convert the string to character, So you see, the Visual Studio IDE is very powerful. It can prompt you which method you can call. So convert to car, what it does is it converts a string into a character for us. So convert to car, and then a string. So to repeat again, prompt user enter his or her grade, read the value into a string, convert the string into a character, and then we can do output, grade is 8. Let's try this. Let's take this previous portion out. Enter grade A. Grade is A. Alright. So we have successfully converted a string into a character using the convert.toCar. Now let's do some, we have to stop debugging. Now let's take in an integer. Now, let's copy this whole thing. Now enter your age, for example. And similarly, assign it to the temp variable. Now it will be an integer, right? So we have to have an integer variable to store our integer value. So integer, and then we call it age. Now convert to, obviously we have to choose convert to integer. So a couple of convert to integers methods. To integer 16, or to 32, or to 64. 16 means I can store a value of this, if also of a smaller range. If it's 32, then it's a larger range, and if it's up to integer 64, it will be of an even larger range. For this instance, and in most problem instance, you just need to use 32. It will be sufficient. We do not want to take in too much memory also. Put 32, and we have converted our string to an integer. So we can say, we output age is, and you can say age. Alright, so let's comment the previous portion away. You can comment it by /* and //. Try this. Enter your age. So 10. Age is 10. Successfully we have done it. Alright. Now let's convert from a double now into an integer. So enter your temperature, for example. Enter your temperature. So 10, so double, okay, temperature, okay, so we convert, we have to use to double, okay, to convert a string to a double, right? So remember that a double enables us to store decimal places. Okay, so temperature is, okay, let's try this again. Okay, and now we can comment away the H code. Alright, okay, on this, oops, something's wrong. Okay, forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, enter temperature 36.9. Temperature is 36.9. Okay, so there you have it. Alright, so this is how we can read in values and then we convert to our preferred data